Come on, buds. Buds. Come on. You filthy dog.
This is your boy MNTBN.
Yo guys, this is your boy MNTBN out for another video, and today's video I'm with my dog, Buddy. Say hi to the camera, bud. Say hi to the camera. Today, we are going to... hindi ko napapaliguan ng aso mo. Yes! This is going to be a Dog Take a Bath Challenge cheap version. Kasi doon natin yan gagawin sa, bomba. Alam niyo yung bomba? Others don't know what bomba is. For our foreigner friends there, bomba is somewhat like, you're gonna just push, and then the water comes out. That would be later, so i-explain ko muna what is my dog. Dumating yung aso kong si Buddy. He's been here since July kasi one day my dad brought a puppy, which is a really cute puppy, and everyone was like, oh, that is so cute. And of course, we all decided that his name is Buddy. So that's it. Is a Japanese Spitz in breed, and here's his picture nung mapaliit pa siya. Yan yung picture na pagkabata siya, and now sobrang laki na. It's been a few months pero ang bilis niyang lumaki. Pasensya na sa mga sisters ko dyan na nagbibideo kasi papaliguan natin kasi first time nitong nakalabas tapos ang dumi-dumi pa. So ayan na, nasa labas na tayo ng ng Taois Norte, ng tao ng Taois. So ito nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na bomba. Tapos kaya push it, and the water comes out. Then ako ng brother ko si Ole, say hi again. Hi! This is a poor version kasi ito yung shower namin dito. First is you gotta basa your dog. Gusto niya to gusto niya to yung nababasa siya. Kasi ang dumi na niya.
Oh yeah!
Mahirap po maging mahirap. Basahin nyo. Gold tip! Sabi ko rin ako namin. Ayan po, sobrang saya din po kasi maligo dito magtapisaw sa taon lang kasi sobrang silpo na ng pamumuhay. Ito pa po yung soap. Sasabunan mo na siya doon sa medical. Tapisaw kanina, no?
Ang baho dito grabe, ang baho.
Ganyan po kapag mahirap. Yuri, bomba! Sige na, Yuri! Bomba! Pagkatapos mo siyang sabunan, babanlawan mo na yan. Tapos na tayo. One of the fulfilling things na dapat mong gawin sa buhay mo is magpahinga ng aso. Kaya, gawin mo na habang meron ka pang aso. So that's it. This is your boy, MNTBN. Signing off for this video. Bye-bye!